क्या पीपल्स पार्टी इस कीमत के इख्तिताम तक मुद्दत पूरी करने तक साथ नहीं छोड़ेगी? आजकल जरा इस हवाले से बातें हो रही।
बेटा मैं तो टेक्सटाइल पे बात करने आया हूँ, सियासत पे बात करनी है तो बिला बिला उस आ जाना।
टेक्सटाइल पे बात है, सवाल है टेक्सटाइल पे सवाल ये है कि
सर पहली बात है कि मैंने किसी को धोखा नहीं दिया, तो PMLN को मैं धोखा नहीं दूंगा। आई वॉन्ट you all to be rich. When all of you are rich, then the country is rich. If only my family is rich, a couple of political families are rich, Pakistan is not rich. Pakistan is rich when you are all rich. And obviously, once you make money, you don't mind giving. You don't mind giving the taxes that I'm owed. You don't mind paying the country. You don't mind giving because you are happy in your state. You're in a happy place. If I put you in a miserable place and then keep grinding you for more taxes, obviously you are not happy and you are not going to pay. And what are the banks going to do? They can't take over your industries. If they take over, there's nobody buyer. There's no buyer at all. Who wants to buy? Who wants to come and buy in a bad capacity? Yes, in a good capacity there's another market. In a bad capacity there's another market. But always when there is blood on the streets, there is hope. That's the time to crunch it. There's a recession in the world. This is the time to crunch it. So we shall inshallah get together and work. It's not the question that we can do or the government can do or anybody can do it alone. It has to be this platform that comes, stands with me, and we go even dig trenches if we have to and work together. So togetherness is the key to get to Pakistan's better future, not for you or for me. We are comfortable. We could retire any time. But no, our coming generations of our generations of our generation, unka kya banega? Look at the population growth. How the hell are we going to pay for them, their studies, their education? Obviously, all has to be now on the net. We can't afford those teachers that we have sitting there. We have to give them computer courses. We have to have master computer trainers. We have to have singular stables in the computer. And the computer will take the test. And that will be the result. I will not be tested by secondary board of higher studies. No. There and then the computer will test us. There and then the computer will give the result to the master computer, and then we get good boys who can work. From there we pick up the kids and we take them to Fatima, and he trains them to make up good business brains, and he uses them. I don't mind if he becomes 30 billion worth. Who cares? I'm happy for him. Allah is for them. Because if he becomes 30 billion, Pakistan becomes 30 billion. So we have to make Pakistan rich. We have to make Pakistan rich. The formula is through you. I can't make Pakistan rich only through mines. Yes, there are other potentials. There's a huge potential in our fishery industries. There's a huge potential. I'll give you a small example. In Sindh, I've been working on a thing called carbon credit. Our deltas, where you must have heard a lot of time because you're also associated with the agriculture sector in textile, you must have heard कि हमारा पानी समुद्र में जाता है, पानी समुद्र में जाता है. That's not true. That goes towards all the area where the water becomes saline. That's where mangroves grow. We have, for the first time in history, after 10 years, got our first tranche of 4.5 billion rupees from selling our carbon credits. Now all that money I'm gathering, inshallah every 3 months, every 4 months I'll be getting more. Sindh is gathering to line our canals. At least 40% of the canals I've lined in Sindh. Because you've got millions of acres of land going waste because of the water getting into it. This is saline land कहते हैं. That is because of the water. So if I can finish that, you'll have millions of acres more in Sindh to put textile in. And it's all upper Sindh. That's where textile grows the best. Upper Sindh. Shangar, upstream Indus. That's where textile is the best. So please be welcome to come, be with us, stay with us, let's work together, and forget about the fact that people think we are a poor country. We are not, we are a rich country. Who says we are a poor country? These idiots. If Islamabad doesn't understand, the problem is that Islamabad, the bureaucrat, बेचारा एक उस bureaucracy में कभी वो इंटीरियर में बैठा है, कभी वही कॉमर्स में बैठा है, फिर वही फाइनेंस में बैठा है, फिर वहाँ से निकल के वो फिर आ जाता है रेलवे में. He has no idea. वो तो सिर्फ अपने कपड़े बनाने के चक्कर में है. So my contention is कि business, you should lead us. We shouldn't lead you. You should lead us. We will only give you policy. These are policies. But this time also, elections will be coming tomorrow, day after. You sign a charter of economy with every party. Make us sit down with you. I am willing to sign. People's Party is willing to sign. The other parties will also, once I do, they will also. They'll be forced to. And that's what we want to do. And to have a economic charter with all the political forces. Then I will rotary sign you, if I don't do it, you can go to court. And they will have to go to court, put me if they don't do it. So we have to get everybody to agree and come into this fold. So I'm willing to come into this fold, even with the cricketer. I told him, second day or third day in the parliament, let's sign a charter of economy with us. I don't care what you do to us. It doesn't make a difference. You should sign a charter of economy. But the man had no idea. Half the people sitting there do not have any idea. उससे कभी कॉमर्स की हो, कभी धंधा किया हो, कभी दरख्त लगाए हो, कभी पौधे लगाए हो, and nobody who doesn't know agriculture, because we are an agrarian society from the days of Indus, सिंधु के ज़माने से, when it was called Sindhu, हम लोग agriculture नाइल की तरह we were producing. So anybody who doesn't know agriculture doesn't know Pakistan. So we have to understand that. And whoever, and then you don't have to shrug responsibilities like some people I know here. जब इसको बोलो कि तुम मिनिस्टर बन जाए, नहीं मैं तो नहीं बन, नहीं तो बनता कोई कौन करेगा फिर? फिर तुम लोग अगर नहीं आओगे, if you don't take over the reins, then who is going to do it? They won't. They don't understand. God forgive them, but they don't understand. So you have to join my government in your expertise in it.